Hello all and welcome to my channel. This is the place in which you will find videos about cameras, lenses and Apple new and vintage products. Today's video is about the Canon Speedlight ELA flash that I bought for my Canon R5 camera. This flash, which I ordered a week ago from B&H, cost me $899. You have a link in the video description. Together with you, I'll unbox the packing, and just before I dive in, I want to update you that this video is only the first peep, and more in-depth video regarding this flash will be uploaded soon. My name is Tzachi and this is the time to start the review. Inside the box we have the manual paperwork. We have the flash itself, which I will soon talk about. A battery charger LCE6. We also have a compact battery LPEL, bouncy adapter SBA-EL, and orange color filters, light and dark. And that's all. This is my first experience with the flash because until now I haven't needed it for my YouTube videos, but now I want to professionalize, and the flash is a must accessory which has to be in our bag. Just before I move ahead, I invite those who still haven't subscribed to my channel to do so. That way you receive updates about my future video. I really appreciate it. And now let's move forward to the flash itself. The flash arrives with a soft bag which really feels high standard. And in the case we also have a shoe adapter. Wow! One of the amazing features in this product that by pushing this button you can turn it from one side to next in complete 118 degrees radius. Another amazing thing that you have a 1 LP battery instead of carrying with you many double spares. It's so much comfortable. Now with you, I am turning on the flash for the first time. As you can see, the new interface is so more user-friendly. The screen is bigger, and in the middle we have joystick and a wheel that makes it so much easier to operate all its functions. Wait a second. This is the new button lock. Now that the flash is connected to my camera, I am moving forward to the practical parts. And as I told you, this is only a first peep. If you have any issues that you would like me to address, write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.